Okay, today we're talking about the distributive property and being able to combine like terms. When we're using the distributive property, if I said to you, model this on your placemat, what would you do? Okay, you would have 1x. If I said model 2x, you would have 2x's. So then I'm going to ask you to model x plus 1. And I have x plus 1. If I ask you to model 2x plus 1, you would then have x plus 1, and then you need another set because the 2 tells me to double it. So I would get 2 sets of x plus 1. If I have 3x plus 1, again, I would model, I'm going to grab this one, x plus 1, x plus 1, and then another x plus 1. So again, I would have 3 sets of x plus 1 for 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3. So we have some examples that we're going to do. Right here we have, I'll give you an easy one to start. We'll start with this one. 2 sets of x plus 3. So I'll have 1 set of x plus 3. And then this says I get to have 2 of those. So I'm going to put another set of x plus 3. So really, 2 sets of x plus 3 is just 2x plus 6. They are the same thing. And we combine like terms, so we get that. So on the right-hand side, we're going to have 8. So now I have 2 sets of x plus 3 equals 8. And again, when we look at this, we remember that we have the legal move where we can take away. The subtraction rule of equality says you can take away the same amount from both sides and you'll still have an equal statement. So if I take away 6 pairs, I am left with 2x equals 2, and I'm going to divide this amongst the x's, and I get x equals 1. So when I check it, we put everything back the way it was. And now I have each of these x's equal 1. So 1 plus 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 1 is 8. And over here we have 8. So our check is 8 equals 8. All right, I'll erase this. We'll remove these. Delete. pull this down and we'll solve this one. Okay. So now we have two sets of x plus 4. So I'll get my one set up there. There's one set of x plus 4. This says I get to have two of them, so I'm going to put another set of x plus 4. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, so I can get these in quicker, I'm going to copy these. And then I'm going to go over here and paste them. So that should be 16. I'll bring one more over, so I should have 17 now. So now, oops, I missed an x. So I should actually have 3 x's total plus 8 equals 17. I can take away 8 pairs from both sides. So I keep going until I can't do any more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm left with 3 x's and a pile of 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since I have 3 x's, I have to break this into 3 groups. So I keep dividing these up. And that shows me that each x is paired up with 3. So x equals 3. Pull these away down here. So I'm going to set it back up and get rid of that. Put these back. Put these back. So each x is equal to 3. So I get 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the check is 17 equals 17. And that is using the distributive property to use and solve equations.